Hello, I'm Stephen Brown, and I'm an attorney with Reddy & Newman PC here in Houston, Texas. Along with me is one of our senior H-1B attorneys, Justin Rivera. Today we're going to talk about timely filing cases with USCIS. Failure to timely file an amendment or a transfer case and start on that project or with that employer before the case is filed can result in unauthorized employment. Justin, what happens if in that situation where someone starts before the case is filed?
Well, from the perspective of the employee, if the company fails to timely file an amendment or transfer, there is a probability, rather high one, that the case will be approved without an I-94. In that circumstance, the beneficiary is going to have to leave the country and attend a visa interview. Additionally, unauthorized work means that the beneficiary cannot be working while the case is pending. They won't be able to begin working until after the after the petition has been approved. What are some of the other issues that could be encountered by either the employee or employer if a petition is untimely filed?
So when you talk about the transfer cases, you're going to run into I-9 compliance issues because if the employee starts working before the transfer case is filed, you can't properly do I-9, which could result in I-9 violations. Mm-hmm. For the employee, this could result in issues with adjustment of status if this unauthorized work goes on for 180 days. It could prevent them from doing adjustment of status in the future. Mm-hmm. And finally, one issue that's not often thought about is contract violations. These companies are often doing contracts with another entity where they're warranting, promising that everybody that's doing this project has valid work authorization for the United States. And if they're working on that project without it, those companies can not only come after them for contractual violations, which could be financial losses, but you could see something where your reputation is hurt and these companies don't want to work with you in the future. So I think that's a big deal that it's often underlooked.
Right. So in addition to suffering a potential financial loss, you're going to have to deal with a loss of reputation in the community, which is obviously going to hurt your employment or your engagement with other companies prospectively.
Absolutely. So timely filing petitions is very important. So Justin, when there's issues like this unauthorized employment, how does it get fixed?
Well, the employee is going to have to travel outside of the United States to cure their status. That's really the only option that they have. They're not going to be able to simply file a new petition in order to fix or correct this issue.
So, as you can see, timely filing transfers and amendments is extremely important. It can cause significant issues for both the company and the employee down the road. If you have any questions about this, our law firm does a daily conference call. Our conference call hours and number is on our website, rnlawgroup.com. Additionally, you can contact Justin or I through our website, rnlawgroup.com. And one of our partners, Emily Newman, does an immigration blog that she keeps up actively, immigrationgirl.com.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.